Hello, dear students. It's me, Shakil Khan, and in today's class, you are going to learn the use of nouns, pronouns, verbs, adverbs in the sentences of English language. So, let's have a look at some sentences of nouns. Students, आज की क्लास में आज सीखेंगे nouns, pronouns, verbs और adverbs का अंग्रेज़ी ज़बान के जुमलों में इस्तेमाल। आइए देखते हैं कि इन nouns, pronouns, verbs और adverbs को इंग्लिश के जुमलों में किस तरह इस्तेमाल किया जाता है। Let's have a look at nouns. The first sentence about noun is Amir goes to school. Now in this sentence, the noun is Amir. Amir goes to school. This cow died yesterday. In this sentence, cow is noun. The horse is eating grass. In this sentence, horse and grass are nouns. I will buy a new car this year. In this sentence, car and year are nouns. No one likes you. In this sentence, no one is noun. You ate my banana. In this sentence, banana is noun. This is my chair. In this sentence, chair is a noun. Is that your house? In this sentence, house is a noun. The use of pronouns in the English sentences. The first sentence is he is learning English. In this sentence, he is pronoun. We play cricket. In this sentence, we is a pronoun. I don't like mangoes. In this sentence, I is a pronoun. You should not waste your time. In this sentence, you is a pronoun. It rains in Karachi every day. In this sentence, it is a pronoun. They will set out for America tomorrow. In this sentence, they is a pronoun. She makes food very well. In this sentence, she is a pronoun. Ali is my brother. In this sentence, my is a pronoun. This is your brother. Your is pronoun in this sentence. That is, there is cool. In this sentence, there is a pronoun. Give me a glass of water. In this sentence, me is a pronoun. Let us swim in the canal. In this sentence, us is a pronoun. Students, let's have a look at the use of verbs in the English sentences. The first sentence is don't make a noise. In this sentence, make a noise is a verb. Work hard to succeed. In this sentence, there are two verbs, work hard and succeed. He will wake up early in the morning. In this sentence, wake up is a verb. She did not wait for us. In this sentence, wait is a verb. They are studying in this school. Studying is verb in this sentence. We will arrive Karachi by 4 p.m. In this sentence, arrive is a verb. I work for the company. In this sentence, work is a verb. Students, let's have a look at the use of adverbs in the sentences. So the first sentence is certainly he will help us. In this sentence, certainly is an adverb. Unfortunately, the doctor came late. In this sentence, unfortunately and let are adverbs. Where did you go? In this sentence, where is adverb. How long have you been living in America? In this sentence, how long is an adverb. This house is large enough for us. In this sentence, enough is an adverb. You seldom do your duty. In this sentence, seldom is an adverb. He is always in time. In this sentence, always is an adverb. I went direct to the manager. In this sentence, direct is an adverb. Students, it was all about the use of nouns, pronouns, verbs and adverbs in the sentences of English language. I hope you have understood very well how to use nouns, pronouns, verbs and adverbs in the sentences. Keep on learning English with Indus English. Let's see in the next video. Till then, God bless you. Bye bye.